Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts with AT&T, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the device from which you want to transfer contacts. Ensure both devices are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. On the source device, open the Contacts app. Find and select the option to export or share contacts. Choose the method for sharing your contacts, such as email or Bluetooth. If using email, enter your email address and send the contacts file. Now, take the new device and locate the email containing the contacts file. Open the email and download the attached contacts file. On the new device, open the Contacts app. Select the option to import contacts. Navigate to the location of the downloaded contacts file. Choose the file and confirm the import process. Wait for the contacts to be imported into your new device. Check the Contacts app to ensure all contacts have been transferred successfully. If you encounter any issues, restart both devices and repeat the process. If your devices support AT&T Mobile Transfer, consider using that as an alternative method. Download and open the AT&T Mobile Transfer app on both devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to establish a connection between the devices. Select the contacts you wish to transfer and initiate the transfer. Once completed, review your contacts to verify they have been transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.